Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice. Hello, and welcome to today's meditation. Today's meditation is going to be based around inspiration. Let us begin by settling the mind and focusing our awareness on the breath. We can do this by simply focusing on the inhales and the exhales. First, let us observe the natural flow of the breath as it enters into our body and then is released back into the surrounding world. For the first couple of breaths, let us not seek to control it. Instead, we are just observing how the body internalizes the natural rise and fall of the passing breath. And after a few naturally soothing breaths, we can already begin to feel calm and peaceful. Now, we can begin to shift our awareness to skillfully increasing the duration of each inhale and exhale. We can most easily do this by increasing the breath counts and introducing a form of square breathing technique. Doing our best to breathe solely through our nose, we can start with a smooth inhale for 4 counts, holding at the top for 4, exhaling for 4, and then holding at the bottom for 4 as well. Let us begin together. We'll start with an inhale for 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll keep this going. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, and 1, inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Allow the breath to naturally come back into the body and then naturally fall back out again with no hold. Now you may already notice it's much easier to hold the breath with longer inhales and exhales than it may have been when we started. Taking a couple breaths here, anchoring into that natural rhythm of your own breath. And with this stillness that we have cultivated, let us bring our focus onto that word, inspiration. To be inspired is to be in spirit. To feel limitless, to feel infinite, to feel purpose, to feel passion, to feel strength. I encourage you to think of a couple ways in which you yourself have felt inspired. Perhaps reminiscing on a moment in time where everything around you seemed to stand still. The concept of time perhaps fell away. The awareness of anything other than the exact present moment ceased to exist. And in that moment, you felt inspired. As you breathe deeply, scanning your memory for a moment you have felt truly inspired, allow yourself to recognize the scenario, the series of events, or even the people that helped that moment feel so infinite. See how fully you can revisit that brief moment in history. And observe any changes that may be coming up within your body. Any warmth, any tingling. Maybe you have a visual sensation of certain lights. Maybe you're feeling heavy emotions. Breathe into that space. Honoring and appreciating that experience for everything it brought to you. And we can rejoice in the ability to recollect moments of such magnitude from our life. I want to encourage you to stay in this space. Maybe a slight smile warms your face. Really come into the heart space and allow yourself to soak up the emotions that are associated with this experience. Breathing fully, deeply. We'll take a few more nice deep breaths. And from this space, I want to encourage you to hold the sensation of inspiration closely to your heart and see how easy it may be to find the inspiration in all things that surround you today. With one more breath, we exhale everything away. Thank you for joining today. May you live an inspired life, full of potential, promise, and passion. Namaste.